Have you ever wondered why passengers on an aircraft are always provided with oxygen whenever there is failure? First of all, every aircraft has a system in it called the cabin pressurized system, and it is this system that regulates the air pressure, ventilation, and as well as the oxygen level in an aircraft. The oxygenated air we breathe in, and as well as the air pressure in the atmosphere, varies with altitude, such that the higher the altitude, the lower the oxygen rate, and the lower the altitude, the higher the oxygen rate. In the atmosphere, altitude below 10,000 feet has a high amount of oxygen and high amount of air pressure, which falls between the range of 14.3 pounds per square inch and 10.5 pounds per square inch, which is suitable for we human beings because that is what we are used to. On the other hand, oxygenated air and pressure in the atmosphere above 10,000 feet is very, very less, which can cause suffocation because it is an obstacle to breath. Every aircraft has something in it called the SRV, which stands for Safety Relief Valves. As an aircraft travels high to an altitude of about 37,000 feet, these safety valves completely opens to accommodate incoming air. Since this incoming air contains very, very less oxygen, the cabin pressurizing system tends to convert this air into more suitable air for safe breath by moisturizing it, heating it up a little bit, and also oxidizing it more just to make it suitable for breath. When the system or the engine of an aircraft fails, the cabin pressurizing system also fails. Therefore, when the plane is at a very higher altitude, the less oxygenated air enters the aircraft directly, causing suffocation, which can also lead to hypoxia. This is the reason why passengers are always provided with oxygen when there is aircraft failure at a very higher altitude. Every aircraft has its altitude limit. Therefore, when a pilot tries to exceed an altitude limit, there will be an alert of a high cabin pressure, which means there is less oxygen in the aircraft. When this happens, the pilot will have to reduce the altitude to attain a lower cabin pressure, which means there is the presence of more oxygen in the aircraft. The only aircraft with the highest altitude limit is Concorde, which has an altitude limit of about 60,000 feet. I hope you've learned something about aviation today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more content. Thank you.